So I'm going to start off by cutting one block of firm tofu into fairly thin rectangular pieces. And what I'm going to do is put it in between two towels and put a heavy weight on top of it for 1 to 2 hours or so, because if you've ever had five-spice tofu from the store, you know that it has a really firm texture. So we need to get rid of more of that moisture. Now I'm going to make that amazing marinade that we put the tofu in. So recipe is going to be down below, but there's some sugar, some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, flavoring ingredients like ginger, red chili, star anise, and then a little bit of licorice powder at the end. It's in all of the really good five-spice tofu recipes. And you're going to bring this mixture along with 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of water. Basically, you want the tofu to be completely submerged. So a little bit more, a little bit less water, it'll be okay. And to bring this guy up to a boil before you put in the tofu. Now, you want to cook the tofu over low to medium heat for 30 minutes. That's it. I think the tendency is to want to cook it longer so that you get more of that flavor, but the broth itself is super salty. So if you keep it in there too long, it will get really salty too. So trust me, I tried it. What I'm gonna do is stick it into the oven on the lowest setting that it will go. So usually that's about 150 degrees Fahrenheit or so. You just want to dehydrate it. You want to get out just a little bit more of that liquid to get this firmer. And I would put it in there for 1.5 to 2 hours. In fact, after you take it out, I would just leave it out in the open air for overnight, just to get rid of some of that moisture. You're not looking to cook it, you're not looking to develop any color, everything is good. So afterwards, you can basically put it into whatever you want. If you want to freeze it, feel free to do that, but I have chosen to put it into these five-spice buns and put a little hoisin sauce over it. It is so good. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this really easy five-spice recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys all again next time. Bye!